Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the files and hardware you need. Do this now so the rest proceeds smoothly. Create a Windows installer on a 16 GB or larger USB using Rufus or the Media Creation tool, and verify the ISO checksum. Back up your Steam OS image and any important saves to another drive because you will repartition. Connect a USB-C hub with power pass-through, attach an external keyboard and mouse, and make sure you have internet available before rebooting into the boot menu. Once done with the installer media, reboot and hold the volume down button to reach the boot menu, choose your USB stick and start Windows setup. When you reach disk options, decide whether to dual boot or overwrite, delete or shrink partitions only if you backed up first. Format the Windows partition as NTFS and complete setup. After Windows is running, install the official Steam Deck drivers and GPU drivers immediately. Make sure controller mappings, touchpad, and Wi-Fi drivers are recognized so input and networking work properly. You finish by updating drivers, tweaking power settings, and confirming peripherals. Run Windows Update and vendor driver packages until no critical drivers remain missing. Then set a balanced power plan, adjust display scaling for 7-inch resolution, and calibrate the controller in Steam Input. Once optimized, test games and battery life. If the device fails to boot into Steam OS or Windows due to bootloader errors, use your recovery USB to repair or restore partitions. That single recovery image will save you time and
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.